Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this look using the Morphe and Jaclyn eyeshadow palette. So if you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. So I'm first going to start off with eyeshadows, and I'm using the Morphe and Jaclyn eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking this shade here and applying that as my transition shade in the crease. So with this shadow, you want to keep kind of building it up in this outer corner, and I'm also just winging it straight out. And this look isn't one of the pure precise looks that I kind of do on this channel. It's more a kind of grungy look. So I did do this look over on my Instagram, and I got a lot of kind of requests to film this, and I thought when I was doing it I was really inspired by the kind of Coachella festival kind of season, and this is what kind of came out of it. And I also, when I got the Jaclyn palette as well, I saw this shadow here in it and I was like, how can I use this and make it wearable for an everyday kind of look? So this is how I have came up with putting the blue underneath, and I think it goes really well, and if you've got blue eyes it really makes them pop as well. So after that I'm taking this shade here and applying that also to the crease. So I'm taking that shade and I'm also applying this in the outer corner and then dragging it into the crease. So I'm focusing most of the product here and then feathering it into the kind of inner corner. So taking the same brush and dipping into this shade here, and I'm applying that in the outer corner. So I'm just patting that in the outer corner here and then kind of feathering it up, if you know what I mean. I'm kind of dragging it up really nice and lightly, and that gives it that kind of blowing out smoky effect. So now that that's applied, again I'm just going over top with the transition shade and just kind of buffing it in. So I've got a new kind of lighting setup in here, and I think it's working quite good on the camera, what I can see in the viewfinder. So if you can see a little bit better, that's why. So next, taking a clean fluffy brush and I'm dipping into this shade here, and I'm just going to buff that over the top of my eyelid. So I'm literally just placing this on and just wiggling my brush about. You don't have to be super precise with it. So I'm next dipping into the Kat Von D tattoo liner, and this is in the shade called Trooper, and I'm going to run that across the top lash line, and this is just going to help blend the real lashes in with the fake ones. But I'm next moving on to mascara, and this is from L'Oreal, and it's the Volume Million Lashes Excess Mascara. And then on top I'm applying these lashes here, and these are from Eylure and they're in the shape called I Heart This. So next dipping into my favourite shade in this palette and applying that on the bottom lash line. So start off with a little bit at a time and then just keep building it up and building it up. And then once you're happy with that underneath, then just start to drag it in to the outer corner. So I'm just taking whatever's left on that crease brush and I'm just ever so slightly just blending the edges of that blue shade. And when you add the blue shade into the outer corner, it gives it that nice kind of grungy feel to the look. So I quickly popped off camera and put on some bottom lash mascara, and I'm next dipping into the Fenty Beauty Killawatt highlighter, and this is in the shade called Trophy Wife, and this is so pretty. I'm going to use this to highlight my inner corner, and this is a little bit too dark to put on the tops of my cheekbones, but I really like putting this on the inner corners, and this really makes your eye looks pop. Then to highlight the brow bone, I'm next taking this shade here and applying that straight over top. So now that the eyes are finished, I'm next going on to lips, and the lip pencil I'm using is from NO7 Lip Precision Pencil, and these don't have any names. I'm sure they don't anyway because they're not on the packaging, but it's a kind of like plummy, kind of pinky tone one. And then on top of that, I'm using the Clinique Lipstick in the shade called Plum Pop. So in my Instagram picture, I did wear the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in the shade called Pillow Talk, but I thought I'd switch it up today with a different colour of lip. But I think it is a tiny bit dark just with these eyes. So to lighten it up, I'm just going to put a little bit of the Maybelline concealer just in the middle and kind of like tap it out and just see if that lightens it up a little bit. So now that I've done my lips, I'm next going on to highlighter, and I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter with Amrezy, and I'm using it on a Sigma F03 brush. So this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please remember to like and subscribe if you're new, and also comment below any video suggestions you'd like to see from me in the next coming weeks, and I'll definitely get filming them for you. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video guys. Bye!